गांधी समझ ले, राइटिंग ऑफ ये वेविंग ऑफ नहीं है, ये माफी नहीं है, तो कर्जे की किसी एक पैसे की भी माफी मोदी सरकार ने नहीं की है। Today I was taken aback by Rahul Gandhi's comment that Modi government has waived off 65,000 crore rupees. Not a single paisa has been waived off. Writing off is not waiving off. Chidambaram must take a tuition and he must understand that this is not waiver. Writing off is a process of accounting where the account which has gone, which is in default, is taken off the book, but it is not to give him clean sheet or give him a certificate that there is no dues. This process of writing off is a technical process to show the depositors the correct picture of bank, and therefore this writing off doesn't stop banks from taking actions and from pursuing the recovery, and that is what is on. We have seen how the Nirav Modi's assets are seized, they are auctioned, he is in jail in London. Mallya has now left with no choice but to come back because his appeal in High Court has been rejected. So there is action going on in each case, and recovery efforts are on, and major part of their default is already stands recovered, and therefore Rahul Gandhi must take tuition from Chidambaram to understand the difference between writing off and waiving off. कर्ज माफ करणं आणि जो थकीत अकाउंट आहे तो पुस्तकातून बाजूला काढणं, रायटिंग ऑफ, हे दोन वेगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत. राहुल गांधींना हाच फरक समजत नाहीये. त्याने
बिल्कुल प्रकाश जावड़ेकर को सुन रहे थे आप, जो राहुल गांधी के ट्वीट पर कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी भ्रम फैला रहे हैं, किसी भी तरीके का कोई कर्जा माफ नहीं किया है, नीरव मोदी की संपत्ति जब्त की गई है. ये तमाम बातें यहां प्रकाश जावड़ेकर कहते हुए नजर आए कि किसी का भी कर्ज माफ नहीं किया है. राहुल गांधी सीधे सीधे भ्रम फैला रहे हैं.